What's the biggest trend do you think this is going to take in the next 3 5 years as a major role? Since like Corona has happened, and now it has been huge increase in the internet population itself as a whole, and the number of users. I mean, drastic,
Mm,
staggering numbers.
mm. See, it will have a huge impact in the future because right now, if you see, every business are forced to go online right now.
Exactly. Exactly.
Everything is going. Even education fair is happening online right now,
Virtual. Yeah.
right? Uh, so even your what to say, your studies right now, what your curriculum, everything is going online. So it will
Cinematic.
have a
Everything
huge
is happening virtual. Yeah.
everything. No one right now we need to pay, I mean, pay the school fee, and we have to sit at home and we have to take the classes. That that is what the kind of scenario that is happening. And post covid also, it is till couple of years it won't change, and the people has been adopted to this particular environment,
The new complete
where
beginning.
accessing the data from the remote places.
Yeah.
And even IT organization, now we came to know that
Mhm.
infrastructure is not important.
Mm. Exactly.
They
Real
need
estate
not to
is
have,
no longer the, yeah.
yeah, real estate infrastructure, it is not important. If you want to build a company right now, a smart guy, what you will do, it is like you will give the system, you will have a secure environment. It is like cloud or some environment where everything for I mean remotely access to your employee, and you will run the organization.
Yes. I
Am
mean,
I right? So
small
that is
project
what,
management tool sounds good. A base
yeah,
camp, something like that. Yeah.
it's
Wonderful,
done. That's it.
extraordinary 8 figure, 9 figure business can be done from the home.
It can be done from the home, and you can curtail the cost up to 75, operational cost up to 75 percentage.
Crazy.
So everything is going to the cloud, and is on the internet right now. And after the 5G, the IoT is gonna boom again.
Yeah.
And the more people getting into the environment, more the vulnerability is.
Mm.
So it will have a huge impact. And also when you see with the cyber security, next 5 years the demand is gonna rise, and there is no manpower. There is an huge manpower shortage with
Oh,
respect to the cyber security.
okay.
And I would advise the people to get into the cyber security space who is like pursuing their career, and it has an huge impact also.
Okay.
In the future there would be an supply and demand. It is
Economics. Yeah.
just in a friction
Mhm.
right now. So that is what it brings to the table. And when everyone, even though you see even your mom, my mom, my dad is using Facebook, WhatsApp, and they are trying to book
I
everything
mean, the whole
via
television
online.
has been replaced by YouTube and Netflixes now. So they've been
Everything.
consuming great now. Yeah.
So it is better to have an secured system always, to even in running a business, because business is gonna generate huge amount of data. Even work from home is gonna be an fashion
Mhm.
tomorrow. And it is gonna have a huge impact. So we have to get equipped for that,
Mhm.
as an organization, as an individual,
Yeah.
as everything, as a government. Even if government now, if it want to wage a war other than the biological war, it is like security, I mean
Only
war, cyber security war, as
is
what
the only
something we
option.
can is only the option.
Yeah.
See now, what has happened between US and Russia. They
Yeah.
told that Russia has stolen the data. How they have stolen the data of this their particular vaccine?
Right.
Through vulnerability, they have gone into they have got into the system, and they've taken these. If they have taken, I mean, I don't have any proof. If they
Yeah.
have taken, they have taken through these
Only
means.
through those. Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to protect our data. It is like data is the next oil,
Yeah.
as everyone knows. If you need to protect your asset, which is a data, this cyber security is a prominent thing
Okay.
that rise up in the future.
Like you said, there is a huge supply and demand scarcity is going to happen.
Yeah.
The supply scarcity is going to happen. Like, what are the possible careers do you think as an individual? Let's say a website guy right now doing it, or an SEO guy is doing it right now. They're already a digital space now. So, can this be as an extended career for them, or like, if yes, like, what are the things you're going to recommend to them so that they
See,
can jump into it as
uh,
well?
yeah, something we have to get. There is various certification, right, from beginners to the expert level certification. You
Mm,
can go with an ethical hacking certification
mm,
initially,
yeah.
and then you can scale up to the next level certification, the advanced certification. So many is there. One of the advanced certification that we have taken it as like ISO 27001.
Okay.
So it is like advanced level. So right from the base level, and you can go with when to scale up to the next level. Network security is there, certification is there, information security certification is there, and you have to choose which your, I mean, it is based on their interest
Again, the
right now.
which one
Yeah.
will serve their
So
needs.
accordingly, it is like cyber security as a whole. It is like, if you say cyber security, it is not only data protection, it is not only information protection, it is also network protection.
Mm,
Any course you do in these areas
yeah,
will fetch you a job tomorrow.
got it. Got it. Okay. Okay. So this is on a job perspective. Just jump into the
Yeah.
certifications, and then that's a huge demand out there.
Yeah, because when you need to certify yourself as an consultant, this certification is very much important,
Okay.
because you to know that how it is these systems are working, where this vulnerability come, you need to know the basic functioning of the system, right? So
That's
the
important.
certification is very much important.
Okay. So anybody who wants to start as an entrepreneur career in the cyber security business, let's say,
Mhm.
what would you recommend to them?
See, initially what I would recommend it is like, go through a partnership,
Mhm.
see where the potential is,
Get
and
associated
what
with
kind of what kind of business you are getting, what
Mhm.
is market is in need of,
Okay.
and then start your, based on your assumption and based on your the kind of knowledge you get from the market, you start your own. Don't just jump into it, because it is not I mean, it is not easy to jump in, because it should have so many labs and environment to be set up, and also it is like the people, it is like hackers you have to bring in, ethical hackers you have to bring in, and the
Mhm.
consultant that you have bring in from the various level, intermediate to the high level consultant that you have to bring in to have this as an unit to provide the service. Initially you partner with the companies, you learn what is it, thoroughly learn it, and you have next 5 years, you learn for 2 years, and then you have your own assumptions, you have your own thought process, you have your own ideas, and you have your own and the idea of what to do next, and then you get into it. That is the best thing you can do.
That's a recommended journey. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Follow.
Or else it would be like cost incurring activity. If you're already an entrepreneur and you have money to invest, and if you have good investors,
Mhm.
and if you have potential, and you can get these consultants on board, and then you can start these activities.
Okay. Okay.
So these are the both ways you can get into it. The best thing it is like partner with some other companies, try to know what is the market
Learn
is,
the thing.
understand the market,
Help.
understand the domain, and then get into the business. That would be really good, rather than jumping into it all of a sudden, because you will have a prior knowledge about this particular industry.
Got it. Got it. Any suggestions you would like to give for especially women, because now women entrepreneurship or like women empowerment has been like they are in the most of the times home. Now gents also became home now together. Like for women specifically, you want to share a message to them.
See, women are now very much equal to men when it comes to the job or it comes to the intelligence. So we cannot discriminate men or women. It is all the responsibility that they take
Yeah.
up.
Yeah.
They do have an equal opportunity when it comes to the job.
Mm.
So it is like all they have to do. It is like initiatives.
Right.
If you have any initiative, go with it.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. The market is wide open for them as well,
Mm.
and it has a good scope as well. So all you have to have it as like mindset and initiative. Don't discriminate between an men and women, or because it is a technology space. All that speak it is like your intelligence and
Right.
your solution capabilities.
Right.
If you're very much good at that, go go for it.
Okay. What do you think is the main biggest pain points they have to face it so that that will be their next learning curve? Like they should not look for the shortcut. Do you think
With respect to
the cyber security or digital space?
cyber security, once they get interrupted with their business activity, they'll come to know how serious it is. Until then they won't take it seriously.
Okay.
People are telling that see, it is like when the pain, I mean, we if corona or some disease come to me, I'll know the exact pain of it, right?
Right.
Only then you will realize it. Two things are there. You should be smart enough to protect it initially,
Mhm.
or else it will affect you. Take a vaccine, or you be self isolated, or it is like the norm. You have to follow the norms so
Mhm.
that you will not get these corona.
Yeah.
Or else if you think that it will not affect you, I mean, you will be like Trump. Right now, see what happened. He has admitted in hospital. People have asked him to wear mask, and he did not do it. Now he is suffering.
Right. Right.
So this is the best case which I can, it does like put forth
So this
before
is
you.
about the data quarantining.
Yeah, data quarantining.
It's
It
like
is like you have to be, smart enough to protect even before it is coming.
yeah. So I always preparing itself like before looking at the worst case scenario, preparing for the worst.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely, in the over the course of time, it will affect you once. And
Mhm.
why do you want to suffer at that point of time? It
Yeah.
would be huge loss.
Yeah.
When it affects, it is gonna affect you very badly.
Yeah.
So don't get affected.
The biggest thing after doing a lot of marketing, lot of operations, setting up a company right from the scratch, growing to a certain level, and then all of a sudden your identity is lost like crazy. That's the biggest
Yeah,
disaster.
that's
Something.
crazy.
Yeah.
And not only your identity, the trust is what something
Yeah.
is gonna get lost. Because in business, your goodwill and trust is something we have to keep up
That is
throughout
the only
our
currency
journey.
nowadays.
Yeah, that is only the currency. If you have good people come to you again and again, so you have to
Mm.
do anything to secure that.
Yeah. Perfect. So in conclusion, you want to share any message?
In conclusion, what to say, Krishna, it is like everyone be secure
Or
in terms
youngsters?
of digital, also in terms of coronavirus as well. When everyone take go by the norms that is prescribed by the government, and also in terms of data security, you think of it before it is coming, so that we can prevent ourselves from the attacks.
Okay. Thank you so much for it was a very valuable session out there. I think audience going to
Thank you,
get a
Krishna.
lot of positive feedback with this.
Thank you, Krishna. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thanks.
for inviting me.
Thanks for time. Yeah.
Yeah.